Yeah, I would say one that I think affects all of us. You've heard the panel members talk about containerization, DevOps, et cetera, and some of these advanced techniques.
Right.
And we're doing an incredible amount in that area, and have just fantastic results. So as we get into this open market capability, one of the big premises of that was to give us sort of this open competition, right? We don't want to have limited choices, and we want to be able to make smart decisions, and we want to have access to these various types of computing for different reasons, right? Both internal public or internal private clouds and external public clouds. The skill base, the industrial skill base across our market, and I say this in both the both internally within the federal service and our partners, there's just not enough capacity out there right now. Just simply is not enough. And I think across the board we need to grow that. I think the cloud vendors have a lot of capacity, right, and that continues to come online. Where we see a shortage, if you will, is the vendor community's ability to provide increased demand as far as DevOps type skill sets, et cetera. And then the federal services ability to manage these sophisticated types of environments. So I would say that is our number one. I mean, it's out there, there's just not enough of it, right? And we need to, as a community, continue to grow that skill base.
Yeah, that is such an important part, and I hear it over and over and over again. And a lot of times it's depth. You know, you have like a person, but you don't have the bench. You don't have the bench strength to come in.
And you know, we're competing with each other, right, internally within the federal service, but we're also competing with the banks and the financial sectors, et cetera.
Absolutely.
Everyone, you know, the good news is we're taking advantage of what the private sector is leveraging and has been for some time as a community, right? And I say community being the federal service community, but at the same time we also compete with those same resources, and we just need to build that capacity up.
Absolutely.